Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech World. Today we will learn about how to install VirtualBox in Ubuntu. First of all, you have to open terminal, then type command sudo apt install VirtualBox. Hit enter and type your password. Now it is reading packages. It is getting installed. It will take 7 minutes for installation and you have to wait for that. As you can see the progress in the terminal. Installation depends upon your laptop or PC configuration. As you can see, it is getting installed in terminal. Almost installed. Don't have to do anything, just sit back and relax. It's better time to if you do some steps. It is installation completed. Now you have to go in the search bar to search for VirtualBox. As you can see, here is the application icon and you can use this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.